So I wanted to review a mask, sheet mask for this video because I have used quite a lot of them, and I always reach out for masks that come in a set of 2, 3, or maybe 5. I prefer a number of 5, but this time I found this really affordable and really amazing brand that was selling a set of 5 sheet mask for 325 rupees, and it was on Amazon. I would really recommend for people who are going to beauty parlors, or maybe even doing their skincare on their own, or even DIYing stuff. I would highly recommend people to buy sheet masks because they do an amazing job of feeding your skin with lots of good nutrients and collagen. And collagen is something which your skin needs when you are past 25, or around in your late 20s or early 30s. It is something which you would want to give your skin every time, like every time you do something special for your skin. So I actually got this packaging inside a carton, like a usual Amazon pack, like a brown cardboard box which you'll get. And I threw away the box and I have left with this one. I'll show you what all masks I got. There were like particular set for dry skin people, and there was a set for oily skin. There was set of masks which were the top 10 or the top 5 sellers. So I got the top 5 one, I think, yeah. So let me just show you all the 5 masks which I got. So as usual, it was in a cardboard box, and I got all of these masks of Face Shop, as you might have known. And as you can see, I've received a total of 5 masks here. So let me just show you one by one. So the first mask I have here is this sheer butter one, and I really wanted to go for the oily skin one because I want some nourishment to my skin, because it becomes sometimes dry in summer, and that's not a bad thing for you to nourish your and replenish your skin. And shea butter is something which I really like smelling in my products, and I hope it has that smell. And I have used sheet mask before. It's like a sheet of thin paper dipped into a lot of collagen serum that's very good for your skin, and I usually apply it after my facial at the end when I want to relax. It gives a very cooling effect on your skin. And as you can see, it says that when you apply the mask, it sticks, and let the mask sit for a while. Here you can see the picture of the lady. You have to apply like this, and you have to let it sit and let it do the work. And when you feel like it is, I actually, what I do, and you can see the MRP here, it's 100 rupees per mask, and I got all the 5 of them for 325. It's such an affordable price. And if I would have bought it for 100 rupees each, I would have like spent 500 on this set of 5. And this is something which Korean people use a lot, and you can see for yourself that Korean people have such beautiful skin. So yeah, moving on with the next mask which I have here is this one. It's the aloe vera's aloe, it's written, and the company here you can see the Face Shop, and it's 20 gram. I don't know what the 20 gram is for. I think it's the weight of the mask, as you can see. Yeah, right there. And again, the price written is 100 rupees. And there's nothing much. It's written all like the ingredients list is mentioned here. As you can see, water type essence, wash your face, apply. I'll read out what's written here, like how to apply. Wash your face, apply toner, remove mask from the package, gently unfold and place it on your entire face, smoothing in curves and adjusting around eyes, nose, and like it's written here, eyes, nose, and mouth. Remove after 10 to 15 minutes and pat in remaining content to absorb into the skin. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes. Keep out from the reach of the children. Discontinue if you have any sort of rashes. And yeah, do not keep this in direct sunlight. So that's the one most important thing. I keep it in my shelf, which is in a like a shady place, like it's in a shade, like shady place. So the next mask I have here is this blueberry one. Blueberry, and I really love the packaging of each one of them. Like the picture which you have here is like plastic coated, and the rest of it is matte. And the mask itself, as usual, Face Shop, the price is 100 rupees here. It's given inclusive of taxes, and the same method of application. So yeah, that was my third mask. Fourth one was this one, olive oil. So everyone does want an olive oil, a good olive oil mask, and I really went for this set because this, I'll put the set which I have used, I'll put it in the links somewhere in the description box below. And I really wanted to nourish my skin, so I bought this set, and the same price there, 100 rupees. If you want, you can go for a 100 rupees delivery. Like if you have Amazon Prime, they'll do a delivery for 100 rupees. But for me, I wanted to go for this one. So this one, last one, is an avocado one. I really wanted to try this one, and I thought this set was really perfect. And as usual, the photo, the glossy look of it, I really like this picture. And yeah, 100 rupees for this one. So I think that was it. This was my haul, face mask haul. I don't have anything else to say. I'll share the review if on Instagram, if whenever I apply it, because that wouldn't be possible. But in general, sheet masks are amazing, and especially Face Shop. When it comes to Face Shop, I've heard very good things about it, and I am hoping to try on these masks. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.